Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, place the mat and lay out the one rod. You show the one rod and say its name, then pick up the two rod and place it beside this model's sequence. Once done, invite the child to place the three rod next, guiding their hand if needed. Explain why. The length increases with each number, so they learn quantity visually and kinesthetically. Keep statements short and pause to let the child explore the difference in sizes. Once rods are in sequence, place the number cards below each rod and say, match the card to the rod. You show how to count by pointing along a rod and counting aloud, then ask the child to count the next rod independently. Explain why. Matching reinforces symbol-to-quantity mapping, making numerals meaningful. If they miscount, pause, point, and have them recount. Repetition with calm correction builds confidence and accuracy. To finish, demonstrate an extension. Place the 2-rod and 3-rod end-to-end, then show the 5-rod to make the sum visible. Explain what happened. Make sure to encourage the child to try the same equation, and then gradually remove your prompts so they work independently. If things go wrong, if the child is confused, go back to 1-3 rods, rebuild the sequence slowly, and use guiding language. This targeted regression clears misconceptions and restores confidence quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.